Okay, we're going to start with serging a seam. And then we're going to cut the thread off. You want to cut it really close to where you stopped serging. Okay, I've got the threads clipped really close to where I ended at. Make sure that it's the end that you finished at. The first thing I'm going to do is just tease out a couple of these stitches. Alright, and then from the back you can see the loops kind of want to undo. You just pull those, pull the front, and then just keep pulling those loops. Once you get it started, and just kind of tease it out like that. If you get stuck and it starts to pull, just go through one by one and pull the threads. Not hard, not real hard, just enough to kind of get those loops out of the stitching. And then once you get the hang of it, it goes a lot faster and you can just kind of pull. Like so. Okay, for a fourth thread, it's pretty much the same, except you have 2 stitches instead of 1 stitch. So again, I'm just going to cut that off real close. Pull out those first couple of stitches. And then start pulling out the back loops. Same thing, just 1 extra thread. And again, if you get stuck, just kind of give a little tug. It's usually a stitch caught in a loop. And again, once you get the hang of it, you can go a little bit faster. And that's it.